Creative affiliate marketing methods you should be aware of. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money, part-time from home or even full-time. If you create interesting content, you will attract readers to your site, and through affiliate ads, you will generate profits. You should follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you create a successful affiliate site. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. When you are starting out in affiliate marketing, it can be helpful to sign up with affiliates that provide the products or services that you like to sell. Diversifying your affiliate network will prevent you from putting all your eggs in one basket. Thoroughly investigate the reputation and past performance of any affiliate before signing on the dotted line. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. One of the best ways to increase your productivity in affiliate marketing is to consistently double down on what's working and permanently removing what isn't. If you want to profit big, you cannot afford to sit around and wait for a slow-moving method to pick up. Find which methods work the best and increase their presence. Focus on high-margin items if your targeted audience can afford it. Promoting a high-value item and a 99-cent book both take the same amount of time and effort. If you are going through all the work anyway, focus on something that can make you some real money. The other benefit is that you need less sell-throughs to make the same amount of money. As was mentioned before in this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to make profits. However, it takes time, effort, and dedication to truly make your site attractive to your readers and stand out amongst the millions of similar sites across the web. Follow these tips in this video to find success through affiliate marketing online. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.